Hi guys, all of you, good morning and good evening, and welcome back to DevSecOps multi-cloud with on-premise. And once again, welcome back to Git 10th class. We are in 10th class. Guys, we will discuss today, mostly, yes, we will cover all these commands along with some more commands. Okay, so still we are working with branching and stashing. The stash having relation with branching. Okay, so when we are switching into one branch to another branch, if the file is located in the same branch or in the another branch in the target branch, we can switch successfully. If the file is not available in the target branch when you are switching into target branch, that time we can't switch. We can't switch normally. We can switch forcefully, but if you switch forcefully, yes, we will lose the data. If you don't want, okay, if you don't want loss your data, and if you don't want to commit your commits, your changes, yes, that time we can use this git stash memory. It's a very powerful and very useful in the real world, because and always we can't commit on every changes. Okay, unnecessarily we can't commit. Sometimes we are having some unnecessary files with important data. Unnecessary mean, so if you put in working tree, maybe we'll get some issues by that files. So that sometimes we can put into that stash memory. Whenever we want to call back, yes, we can call back and we can work with the changes. At the same time, we can't switch forcefully. And every time, if we switch forcefully, whatever the files are there, 1, 5 or 10 or 100 files, how many files are there? If these all files are modified, yes, we will lose the data. We will lose the data. So that those are very critical. Okay, so we can't use those commands, commit command and forceful command, and every time. So better to use stash memory instead of committing and instead of switching forcefully. Okay guys, that is the command, -f command. Yes, we saw that. Okay, and already the git branch having relation with stashing. We have discussed about that in previous classes. Still we are having some more commands to discuss about git branching. Okay, so still we are in basic and intermediate level. So I'll make some more videos on whatever we have discussed previous subject with some advanced concepts. We need to be discuss some more advanced concepts. I didn't discuss about that. So I'll make a separate videos on each and every concept. Okay, just advanced level 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. How many classes will come? So I don't know. Okay, at present, but I'll try to make videos. But those videos can't record or make in the classroom. I'll take my own sessions on my free time. Only I'll take the sessions to make videos. Okay, guys. From tomorrow we are going to starting. From tomorrow we are going to starting with Docker. Sorry, Jenkins. Okay. So we will discuss what is Jenkins. So what is the importance of Jenkins in tomorrow's session? Let me finish this concepts of today. Okay. Yes, guys. If we want to push the files, local to remote, yes, we are using. Okay. So far we have seen only origin main. Remaining future branches we haven't seen how to send to remote branch. I mean that remote repository. Today we will see, guys. Today, we will see. Next, git push origin -all. Origin -all to send all branches at a time from our local to a remote. Okay. Next, guys. Okay. So let me show you one by one. Yes, guys, you can use pure Linux mission Git, or else you can go through the Git bash also. Okay. Now, guys, Git branch, these are the local branches, and Git branch -r, these are the remote branches. So now we are in dev branch. Locally, we are in dev branch. That dev branch is not available in the remote repository. Now, what I am doing that I am pushing the changes, whatever we are having in the dev branch, in the local dev branch. That branch I am sending to remote. Yes, git push origin, that future branch. Dev is the future branch, and we are in present dev branch. Yes. If it is first time, we can see new branch. We send to this repository. And this is the new branch. Dev is the new branch in remote. New. Okay. And we have sent to local remote dev to local dev branch to a remote. Now, in the remote, we have created one more new branch, that is dev. Now, let me show you git branch -r. See, guys, we are having one more branch, dev. But present the cursor in main branch in the remote. See, guys. So here there is no dev branch. At present, we are having dev branch in the remote. If you want to see that, just refresh this one. And not this one, just have a look on this one. We will discuss upcoming classes. Just refresh here. Still we are having only one branch. We need to be refresh this one. Just refresh this one. Okay, now you can see total how many branches we are having? 2 branches. Before that, we saw only one branch before refreshing. Now, if you observe this, if you see this, see, guys. Here, main is the default branch and dev is the future branch. Main is the default branch. Okay, and dev is the future branch. Main is the main branch. Main branch is the main, and it's a default. Dev is the future branch. Now, if you want to send all branches at a time, yes, git branch. Now, git push origin -all. If you want to send particular branch, just apply that git push origin, the particular branch name. And here one more that. Now I'm in dev branch. Okay. At present, the cursor in dev branch. Now I'm sending the testing branch. See, guys, we can do that. Git providing that facility. Okay. So you can be anywhere in any branch. Okay, guys. But if you want to push from one branch to another branch, yes, you can. At present, we are in dev branch. From there, yes, if you want to push on other branch files, yes, you can push. Just apply that git push origin, that other branch name. Yes, now git branch -r. See, guys. Okay, at present, we are having 2 remote branches. One is the dev and another one is testing. Now, just come here. Again, refresh here. Now you can see now total 3 branches. Total 3 branches. The reason for seeing this one, I'll explain that, clear explain. I'll give that. Please wait. Okay. But observe here. We are having 3 branches. We are having 3 branches. But locally we are having total 5 branches. Total 5 branches, including main. Even in the remote also at present, we are having 3 branches, including main. I mean, locally we are having two more feature branches. That is dev test and QA. QA. Let me apply that to send all branches at a time. All branches mean more than one. How many branches we are having locally? If you want to push all branches at a time, yes, you can apply git push origin - all. This is the command. Okay, see guys, these are the new branches. These are the 2 new branches. So only first time you can see. Only first time we can see this one, new branch. If you are going to modify this one, see when we sent changes from this present branch, that time also we saw that yes, new branch. See guys, here we saw as a new. Okay, when we have sent to remote repository from local at first time we have sent the changes from our local repository to remote on dev branch. Now if you do again, yes, ll git status. Okay, yes, what I'm doing that, yes, install git. Okay, where we saw that file, what is that? We missed out now some files, Linux commands and all monitoring somewhere. Okay, fine. So VIM install git latest. So here what we did, cd opt. Okay. M update -y. M update -y. Just I'm going to modify this one. Okay. So why I have changed this one? To show you. See, first time we saw this. We are seeing as a new. Okay, when we sent first time to remote, that time we are seeing that as a new. Already we have sent and this branch is already available in the remote. So now I'm trying to send second one from second time. From second time onwards, we can't see as a new. We can't see as a new because see already existed. So that git status, git commit. What is the command to commit at a time, guys? If I want to commit the changes directly from working directory to committing, what is the command? Yes, I need quick response. Yes, git commit -am. Yes, install latest git latest version 1.1. Yes. Okay, now git status. Now you can do push the changes. Now git push origin dev. See guys, here we are not seeing as a new. Here we are not seeing it. We are not seeing as a new like this. Because before applying this command, already we have sent to remote. It's not a new, it's a old. It's a old in the remote, so that we are not seeing that. Okay. So on every branch like that one. Now you can come here. Just you can see that changes. We are in main branch. Now come to dev branch. Yes. Now you can see just now 1 minute ago. Okay. So this is one. Guys, this is related to merge conflicts. Okay. Merge conflicts. Okay, how we can resolve this issue. Guys, here the default branch is main. The default branch is main. Total we are having 5 branches. See guys. Total we are having 5 branches and main is the default branch. Now this GitHub giving priority to default branch. This GitHub software giving priority to main branch or default branch. When the main branch is comparing to other branches, when the main branching is comparing to other branches, yes, the other branches are having different than main. Other branches mean this dev branch and dev test branch, testing branch. These 3 branches are having some differences compared to main branch. It's mean maybe some different changes. Okay, compared to this main branch. If you want to compare and merge into main branch, whatever we are having new changes, whatever we are having different changes or differ than main branch, if you want to merge those changes to main branch, if we want to merge the new changes, whatever the different changes are in future branch, if we want to merge those changes into future branch from other branch, yes, we can apply this one, compare and pull request. Okay, this one we can compare the dev and main branch, then we can create pull request to merge into main branch. Pull mean to get forcefully from dev to main branch. Whatever the new changes or different changes in dev branch, those changes if you want to pull into main, yes, that time you can apply compare and pull request. Just click on this one. Just see guys, base is main, comparing to dev, just adding a title. Okay. Yes, if you want to put like that. Okay. Okay, like that. That your wish, no problem. It's not an issue with the cases. Okay, just okay. I am putting that. See guys. Yes, click on that. Create pull request. Now merging the changes from, okay, this one what we kept the title. Okay, and this is the commented. Okay, now see these are the changes. Checking for the availability to merge automatically. Okay, just wait guys. Just wait. Wait, processing. If you want to write any something comment, yes, you can write. Okay, then you can put here, just click on that comment. Okay, that's, and just now see guys, it's a process, it is verified, then click on that merge pull request. Now this is the merge pull request, one from this repository. This is the repository name or username and this one branch dev. Just click on that, confirm merge. Now what we did, guys? See, guys, pull request successfully merged and closed. Pull request successfully merged and closed. Yes, merged two commits into main. Merged two commits into main from dev branch. Okay, from dev branch. Now you can see, go to branch. See, still we are having two more. Still we are having two more. So one is over. From the dev branch we merged into. From the dev branch we merged into. Okay, sorry. From dev branch we merged into main branch. See, guys. Okay, this is what we have configured. But here we can see. Okay, commit dates, not a time. I mean that pushing, not a pushing dates and a time. Here we can see the only when we have committed on the date. Okay, guys, number of days. Okay, 3 days ago, 4 weeks ago. Yes, last week we have committed this one. Okay, and 2 weeks ago, this one. I mean that maybe when we are going to creating repository, we will get one file that is readme.md. Maybe 2 weeks before we have created this repository. Okay, guys, this is one. Next, it's still here we are having two more branches. Still, these are comparing to main. Once again, if you want to merge the changes from dev to main, once again click on that compare and pull request. Yes, if you want to put any title, you can put, or else you can leave that. Okay, just click on that create pull request. And it's verifying. If you want to write any comment, just write here. So after writing, automatically it will enable to comment. So if you don't want to comment, leave that, but automatically it will get. Okay, after verifying, just click on that merge and pull request. Okay, guys, now merge pull request. Okay, to from this dev test to we are, see, guys. Okay, wants to merge. We didn't finish this one. Wants to merge one commit into main from dev test. Okay, yes, if you apply that confirm merge, so what will happen? Whatever the changes are there, then compared to main branch, those all changes comes into main branch. Yes, guys, successfully we merged into main branch. See, merged one commit into main branch. Like that, we can merge into one branch to another branch. Okay, still we are having one more. Okay, even the testing branch also having different files than main branch. See, so we are getting one by one. Okay, guys. Yes, now click on that once again, compare and pull request. Yes, create pull request. Yes, merge pull request. Confirm merge. Yes, successfully we merged into main branch. Okay, guys. Yes, this is what successfully we merged all branch changes into main branch. Now main branch having all branches files into whatever the files are in remaining branches, those all files are in main branch. But compared to future branch to future branch, maybe those two future branches are not equal. If we compare to one future branch to another future branch, maybe both are not equal. But what we did, so we got the changes from different branches to main branch. Okay, guys. So it's mean what I said, that we got the changes. See, guys, this is one branch. This is the main branch. Main. future one. See guys, now total we are having 5 branches. Now total we are having 5 branches. Okay. So now if I want to merge the changes, yes, I can merge into main branch. Yes, now I'm taking this one. So now my target is I want to merge the changes from all other branches to main branch. Now first I have started compare and pull request from F1 to main. But these two are not at present, these two are not equal. Of course, main branch having some different files than F1. If we compare to with the main branch, the F1 having different and F main also having different. We are not merging the changes from main branch to future branch. We are merging the changes from future to main. Which means we are getting the files which are located in F1 to main. At the same time, yes, from F2 also. From F2 also, we are pulling the changes into main. Next, same like that, we are pulling the changes from F3 to main like that. But these all are not equal. F2 and F1 not equal. F2 and F3 not equal. F2 and F4 not equal. F3 and F4 not equal. Okay, but whatever we are having changes in the future branches, those all changes we merged into main branch. Compared to remaining branches, the main branch having fuse files are new changes compared to other branches. Okay, guys. So this is one kind of information. Next, guys. Okay, so we did this one. Okay, we have finished that. How we can merge the changes into okay, from one future branch to main branch. And we can create pull request also. Okay, guys, just click on that create pull requests. Now, from which branch you want to merge the changes? Merges? Yes, click on that create new pull request. Now, guys, see here we are having branches. Just take this one. Okay, next, which one is the base one? Now I'm taking that QA. See, guys, now I'm merging the changes. From dev branch to QA branch. What I'm doing that? So how we merge the changes into one branch to another branch locally? Yes, the source branch is having files. I mean that which branch having files, that is the source branch. To which branch we want to merge, that is the target branch. If you want to merge the changes, we should be in the target branch. Then we need to apply git merge source branch name. So what we will get, guys, whatever the changes in the source branch, those all changes comes into the target branch or else present branch. Same like that. Yes, we can do that. See, guys, click on that create pull request. So if you want to comment, yes, you can comment, or else just click on that create pull request and just wait for it will processing. Just wait, guys. Here I am also helpless. Okay, we should wait for getting that. What are that updates? Maybe the server is a little bit slow. Actually, it won't take this much time. Yes, guys. Now click on that merge pull request. Okay. Next, now we are confirming that. We are confirming. See, guys. Merge the two commits into QA from dev branch. Like that, we can create pull requests. We can create pull requests when you want. Now, compared to QA is the different than main. Okay. Once again, if you want to merge those changes into QA, just click on that compare pull request. Yes, again, create pull request. Yes, from QA to main branch. QA to main branch. Just write something, any one comment, apply that. Yes, click on that. Okay, merge pull request. Yes, confirm merge. See, guys, merged one commit into main from QA branch. Like that, we can do, guys. This is the compare and pull request. So when we will get like that, when we are having changes than main branch, when we are going to comparing to other branch to main, if the other branch having different changes than main, that time we will get compare and pull request. If you want to merge those changes into main branch from future branch to main, yes, you can apply that create pull request. That is one concept. That is one concept, guys. And one more here. See, we are doing that changes frequently. We are doing changes frequently. If you want to get that alerts on each and every commit in the remote, when we are going to updating remote repository, on every update, if you want to get the alerts, yes, we can configure email notification on the particular repository. Now, see, let me now, so this is our mail ID, and we have created a GitHub account on this mail ID. Of course, you can put any mail. So to which mail you want to get the alerts from the Git repository, yes, you can put that. But already we have configured this one, so that reason I'm choosing this one. Now this is the mail ID. Yes, copy this mail ID and move to your repository. Then click on that repository settings. Then you can see that email notifications. Now the mail ID, just paste here. Okay, approve read, no need that, just click on that. Okay, yes, set up notification. Now guys, successfully we have configured. Now this is my mail ID, just refresh here. Okay, now let me send one new change from local to remote. Local to remote. Yes, git status ll. Okay, cat Linux commands list. Okay, yes, IP space a, IP space addr. Okay, IP space address. Next, if config. Next, ls ll ls-l ls-la ll space -a ll space -o. Yes, ll space -r. Next, okay, pwd. Okay, yes, uptime date cal. Next, uname -a uname -r. Okay, yes, who am I, users, cat space /etc passwd, cat space /etc shadow. Next, cat /etc shells. Okay, and next, run level. Next, okay, last, okay, free space -h, free space -m, free space -k, free space -g, free space -b. Yes, next, fdisk -l, fdisk-l, df space -u, df space -h. Next, okay, ls cpu. Yes, h top, to top, iostat, netstat. Yes, vmstat. Okay, yes, like that. So many we are having commands, guys. Sar, so many we are having commands. Not only this. Okay, just I have written some of commands. Okay, guys. So many we are having them. So now let me save this one. See, guys, I have written some changes here. Now, okay, git status, just git add, git status. Now, git commit -m Linux commands version 1.0. Yes. Now git push origin main. Let me show you guys. See, guys, still we didn't get changes. Once we push this one, so you need not to go there. Here only we can get that. Yes, is that repository updated or not? If updated, yes, by which one? Yes, it's updated. Yes, everything we can see. Yes, hit the enter. Oh, sorry, not that. Okay. Yes, we are coming this one, guys. We are coming this one. So already I have written that command. That is this all. Okay. This is a separate concept. Whatever we are seeing, this one. So actually not main. No? Yes, we are in dev. Yes, guys. See, guys. Okay. Successfully we have sent to remote. Now, guys, just wait. Just wait. See, guys. Okay. So we got that mail. Now that is see branch references dev, heads dev. Okay, home. This is the link and commit ID. Okay, and this is the again HTTP yes on commit particular commit. Okay, the same ID yes we will get on particular commit. Next author username. Okay, which one we have configured git config hyphen global user dot name, that username, and date. Okay, changed path, the file name, last is log message mean so which we have committed. Okay, while committing that file we kept in double quotes na that one. See guys, so we will get like these alerts. We will get alerts from okay GitHub repository. Okay, this is also one feature. This is one good feature in the GitHub to get alerts. Okay, guys, this is email notification concept. Okay, now guys, you got it now? You got it now, guys? Yes, what is that? Email notification on updates on remote repository updates. Okay, guys. So already we have configured that one. So this one also over, guys. Now, guys. So these are the very important. These are the very important git pull, git merge, git rebase, and once again git merge. Already we saw that. Git merge. That one to make the changes from one local branch to another branch, another local branch. Local branch mean maybe that is a local main branch, that is the local feature branch. But however, we saw that how we can make the changes from one branch to another branch. We saw that already we have applied that command, git merge command. Once again, it's repeating. The reason for repeating, we will see practically. Okay. So first, what is a pull? Guys, it's a very important and it's a very regular command. It's a very regular command. Okay, we don't know how many times we are using this one. Okay. Of course, as a DevOps engineer, we are not using that much, but programmer side, yes, they are using frequently. Okay. Very oftenly they are using pull command. The reason, guys, what is a pull? What is a pull? So when we can use, guys, keep in mind, and try to analyze, try to act as a real world employee. Try to analyze real world employee. Okay, guys. Just 1 minute, guys. Finish. So now, okay, what we are discussing? See, imagine it. We all are the employees. We are working in one team. Mostly in the team, developers are there. I mean that programmers are there, and system engineers are there, hardware engineers are there. Okay, test engineers are there, deployment is there, monitoring is there, and architectures are there. Okay, guys. So this entire team is working on one project. The entire team members are working one project. In this case, mostly who can use this pull concept? Guys, mostly they are working on every new change. Maybe they will get frequently new changes. They will get frequently new updates or new requirements. So that they are writing one new requirement and sending into GitHub. And one more person will write one more new change, immediately they will send to the same repository. Same repository. Yes, how we will get that conflicts? Okay, when we will get that conflicts? See guys, this is the branch. Okay, B1, user one, I mean that employee one, okay, EMP1, EMP1, EMP2, EMP3, EMP4. EMP3, this is the project. This is the project. Okay, so ABC project, imagine it. Now guys, employee one pushing into one branch. Employee one pushing into one branch, either main branch or future branch. So whatever the branches are here, the same branches are in all local employee missions. Guys, EMP1 means employee one. This is his mission. So every employee having their own laptops. They're having their own laptop. They're working on their own labs. Okay. And they are doing changes in their local laptop. Then they are sending into remote. This is the remote repository to all. It's a common repository. It's a common repository to all. Okay. The same repository, ABC project repository accessing this all 4 employees. And the employee one did some changes, then they have to upload it into GitHub. To which branch? Yes, here they are having dev branch, DEV. They are having dev branch. Okay, they are having the employee one created one first new branch and they have sent to remote. The same one, this person also have, okay, got the dev branch into local. Then they have created some files and they have merged into dev branch. Okay, he sent to remote. Next, the person, third employee, already he is having that dev branch, in his local mission. Now the person trying to pushing the changes into remote, but this person unable to pushing his changes into remote repository. Even the fourth employee also having the repository same that dev branch in the local, the person also not sending to changes. Even employee one also once again he is sending to remote mission. He is also not sending. He is also not able to sending the changes to remote repository. Yes, that is not accepting changes. That's not accepting changes. Now let me show you how we can. See guys, just now we are in main branch. Now I'm trying to get the changes. From remote main branch to local main branch. Yes, git checkout main. Now I'm in main branch. See guys, try to understand. Try to understand clearly. If you have any problem, please let me know. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Okay, don't hesitate to ask the question because it's very important. Even in the entry level also, it's very important. Don't mind. Okay. Sorry. Now guys, locally I'm in main branch. Even Even in the remote also, we are in main branch. No problem. You can be in any branch, but locally I'm in main branch. Now I'm trying to, yes, LL, yes, git status. Now let me create, see guys. So whatever we have, whatever we are having, what is that? Linux commands. Linux commands, the file is not available here. The Linux commands file is not available in the main branch, in the main remote main also. Now what I'm doing that, I'm doing the changes. Let me, so did we push? Yes. Already we have sent the changes. Already we have sent the changes into remote. Now guys, okay. Now let me merge those changes into main branch from dev to main. Now click on create pull request. Yes, click on that new pull request. Now take that dev. See, main is day one main. Okay. Next, click on that dev. Now base is main comparing to dev. Whatever the changes are in the dev branch, we are merging into main branch. So we are updating the main branch by requesting all changes from the dev. Whatever the changes are in dev branch, those changes are merging into main branch. It means we are updating the main branch. By pulling requests or changes from dev branch. Okay. Yes. Just click on that. So this is the latest one. In the dev branch. Create pull request. Just wait. Okay, sometimes if you write that any comment, guys, it's taking immediately. Just from dev branch. Okay, just click on that commit. Then we are getting that. Okay, sometimes. Okay, just click on that merge pull request. Yes, now we are confirming that. Yes, confirm merge. Yes, successfully we merged it into main from dev branch. If you want to make the changes from main branch to dev also, you can. If you want to make the changes from main to dev, yes, you can. Okay. Now guys, and keep in mind, so maybe this future, whatever we are doing, whatever I am doing right now, maybe these tasks, okay, maybe or may not be, okay, maybe or may not be, we're not doing in the real world. Maybe we're not having these roles and responsibilities or credentials to do or to enter into the GitHub. Okay, we can't enter into the GitHub repository. Okay, in some major projects, okay, the normal employees, I mean that maybe the other than Git repository managers, those guys can't enter into this area. Okay, if you put the mail or if you create the request, I mean that if you create the ticket, okay, yes, these guys will do this all changes, whatever you want. Okay, guys. Now we merge the changes into main branch. See, guys. Now we got this one. Linux commands list. 18 minutes ago we have committed. Now this remote repository have updated. Okay. by merging the changes remote to remote. Remote to remote, this repository have updated. The whatever we are seeing changes, whatever we are seeing this list of changes in the remote, these all changes are not available in the local main branch. Whatever we are seeing the remote main branch changes, these all changes are not equals to local main branch. Local main branch. So remote repository updated. This remote main branch have updated, but the local main branch have not updated, haven't updated. Okay, guys. Now, guys, so what I'm doing that, see, guys, these are the files only in the local main branch. So in this case, now what I'm doing that, now I'm going to git status when we will get conflicts, when we can use, on which cases we can use git pull command and git fetch command, git rebase command, on which cases we can use that one. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. See, guys, now I don't know what happened in the remote repository. As usual, I'm going to updating. I'm also, okay, there are 2 to 3 members are there for access rights on main branch. There are 2 to 3 members are there to access main branch. In those 2 to 3 members, I'm also one person. I'm also one person. So as a GitHub administrator or a project administrator, so I'm going to modify some changes in the remote main branch. In the remote main branch, I'm going to updating. So first of all, I want to make changes in the local, in the file, in existing file, or by creating a new file. If I want to update this main branch in my local, yes, I have to choose any existing file, or else I want to create one new file for updating main branch. Then only the branch will get updates. Then only we can get, or then only we can call, yes, okay, branch updated. Okay, until that we can't. So now what I'm doing that, I'm going to writing one more command, cat, yes, git commands list. Okay, git space hyphen version. Okay, git clone repo remote repo URL. Next, okay, git status, git add file name. Okay, next git add file name. Okay, next git commit -m message is file name. Next git commit -m message file name. Yes, file name. So guys, I'm repeating this one. Okay, git commit -m anyone message. Please pardon on that mistakes. Okay, git commit -m message. Next git branch. Yes, git reset dot git reset asterisk git reset file name. So like that. Yes, git reset file name. Maybe it's very useful to you for recapping. Okay, git stays file name. Yes, git stays file name. Yes, git stays dot git stays hyphen all git stays asterisk git stays hyphen capital A. Okay, yes guys. Next git soft git reset hyphen soft head tilde. Okay, git reset, okay, @ till, okay, git show, git log branch name, yes, git log file name, okay, git log file name. Next, okay guys, it won't go back, it won't go back. Yes, I did mistake, type mistake, okay, further that, okay, we will modify that. Next, git what we are having, yes, git reset hard head tilde, yes, we didn't discuss, need to be discussed this one, okay, git branch something guys, let me finish here, let me stop here, git branch, yes, okay, branch name, okay, just let me stop here guys. Of course we are having, so we need to concentrate on some other concepts, okay, just Control D. See guys, what I did just now, I have updated this main branch. Of course, still I didn't update this one. When we can call main branch updated, when we can say main branch has updated. Yes, guys. Once we commit these changes in the main branch, then only we have to say yes, main branch has updated. Okay, until that we consider. Now, guys, git add, git status, now git commit. Now I'm going to updating this main branch. Okay, git commands list. Okay, yes guys, now we have updated, just now we have updated that main branch. Now what I'm doing that, now I'm sending the changes from my local to remote, but keep in mind this repository already updated in the remote. This repository updated in the remote by main branch. The main branch already have updated with other changes. Someone have already updated that remote main branch. Even my side also in my local mission I have updated. Now I'm sending the changes. From my local to remote. But before this, already something happened in the remote main branch. That is okay, updated. It's mean someone have modified that remote main branch. After that I am sending the changes. Git push origin main. Okay guys, this is the problem. My side I have expected this one. Okay, not expected, wantedly I have created this problem. So why you have created wantedly this one? If you ask the question, in real world, okay, this is not wantedly created one. In real time, okay, no one not giving any kind of problem. Okay, no one not giving you any problem. Okay, they are not doing wantedly. They are doing their tasks as per their responsibilities. Okay, they are also having commitments to submit their tasks. Once they submit into they from their mission to remote, yes, at the same time, after doing the changes, if anyone doing the changes in the remote, if you try to push into the same branch, yes, you will get this issue. So what I'm saying that when you are sending these changes from your local mission, before that, if anyone have updated the remote repository, you will get this issue. Okay, but they are not doing intentionally. Okay, to disturb you. For disturbing you, they're not doing intentionally. So whatever they are having changes, they have updated into remote repository. They have contributed. They have contributed. Okay. After that, you are doing this. After that, you are also trying to contribute your changes into remote. But you got this issue. Guys, for seeing this, if you read this one, this is the, maybe you feel like that, oh, it's a big issue. It's a big issue, but this is not a big issue, and this is not a wantedly making problems. Okay, no one are doing wantedly this one. Okay, this is very normal and very simple to resolve this issue. Okay, frequently. Okay, oftenly you will get that every 1 minute or 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, or when you are going to committing that, or when you are sending to remote repository, yes, maybe that time you will get issue. So yes, by simple command we can resolve this issue. We can resolve this issue by applying the simple command. But before that, if you read this one, first of all, it's rejected. Okay, this process was stopped. Error. The reason, failed to push some references to the same repository. Yes, hint, they are saying that hint, updates were rejected. Updates mean whatever we did our changes, whatever we made the changes, those changes are updates. Those updates were rejected. Those updates were rejected to send to remote repository. The reason for rejecting, because the remote repository or that remote contains work that do not have locally. Whatever the changes are made in the remote repository, those changes are not in your local machine. Okay, this is usually caused by another repository pushing to the same repository. Already I told that. Already one more employee, another employee, okay, they have updated remote repository by pushing their local changes. Okay, so that after whatever they have sent to remote repository, those changes are not in our local machine. Employee one have updated the remote repository with new changes by pushing new files or something. Those changes are not in my local machine. I am the employee two. Whatever the employee one have made changes in the remote, those changes are not in my local machine. It is suggesting me. Okay, what it is suggesting? Updates were rejected because the remote contains work that do not have locally. Okay, this is usually caused by another repository pushing to the same repository. So here, if you want to resolve this issue, if you want to integrate those remote changes, just get those changes into your local machine. If you want to update your updates from local updates from remote, if you want update your local repository from remote, yes, first get those changes into local. If you want to update your local changes to remote repository, so what you have to do, first you need to get the remote changes. If you want to update your local to remote, if you want to update your local changes to remote repository, so what you have to do, first get those remote changes into your local machine. So it's me, first we need to get the changes, whatever the new changes are in remote repository, those changes you have to get into local machine. Remote to local. Then you can verify and compare, then you can send to remote repository. That you have to do immediately. If you delay that, if you take time, maybe if someone will push to remote repository in this middle of the time, once again you will get same issue. Okay. Yes, guys. Updates were rejected because the remote contains work that do not have locally. This is usually caused by another repository pushing to the same repository. Okay, or same reference. Okay, if you want to integrate those remote integrate the remote changes, use git pull command. It is suggesting you. If you want to integrate those remote changes into your local machine, just apply that git pull command before pushing again. If you try it once again, yes, same one you will get. Before pushing again, just get those changes into your local machine. Otherwise, you can't. Okay. Yes, git pull before pushing again. Hint. See the note about fast forwards. Git push --help command for details. If you want to get detailed information, you can apply that git push --help. Okay, guys. So this is the concept. Now we are in trouble. It's not a big trouble. It's a very simple trouble. Okay, we can resolve that issue. So now LL. See, guys, here we are having this is the latest one. Just now we have committed git status, nothing to commit, working tree clean. Now what I'm doing that whatever we are having changes in the remote, those changes I'm getting into local machine. That is the command git pull. Git pull is a command. Just now, guys. After that, yes, we will be in the VA editor. Just apply that shift:\WQ. You must save the changes in our local machine. If you are not accepting these changes by saving this, yes, you can't get it. So that just apply that shift:\WQ. See, guys. So whatever we got new changes, yes, buy this file with 67 new insertions. Docker file 7 insertions, Jenkins file with 2 insertions and 2 deletions, Linux commands 41 new insertions, git install latest. So in this file we have added 1 new line. These are, guys, total 5 files changed with 117 insertions, 1 deletions. Plus mean insertions, minus mean deletions. Okay, guys, 2 happened, 1 deletion, 1 addition. So this is what now you can see. So before that, so how many files we are having? 1, 2, 3, total 6 files we are having. Total 6. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9. So it's mean we got new files. Okay, guys. So this is use of pull command. And the interview question. So what is a git clone? Git clone is a command used to get the entire repository from remote to local. Git clone is a command used to get the entire repository or to duplicate entire repository from remote to local. Next, what is the use of git pull command? What is the use of git pull command? Or else, so I have some new changes in the remote repository. I have new changes in the remote repository. How can I get those only changes? How can I get those new changes only? How can I get new changes from remote to local? Which command we have to use? Git clone command, git merge command, git pull command. Options. Guys, here, see, guys, I have one repository. I have one remote repository. How can I get that entire repository? How can I get that repository into local? See, question. I have one repository in the remote. If I want to get that repository into local, which command I have to apply? Yes, this time we need to apply git clone command to get the entire repository. See, I have some changes in the remote repository. If I want to get those changes only from remote to local, which command I have to use? Git pull command. Git pull command. Git pull command used for to get the only changes, whatever the new changes happen in the remote repository. If you want to get those changes only, just apply that git pull command. Git pull command used for to get the only changes from remote to local. That is the command. But git clone command, so we are getting that entire repository, we are duplicating that entire repository from remote to local. But pull command, only already repository existed in our local machine. Already the repository existed in our local machine. Which one we have cloned? The remote to local. Okay, which one we are having DevOps project one repository in our local machine? That repository also is available in the remote. But that DevOps project one remote repository have some changes, made some changes. Someone updated that repository. If I want to get those changes, only the command, okay, git pull command. But okay, so what is the difference between git pull and git merge command? And what is the difference between git rebase and git pull command? What is the difference between git rebase and git pull command? And what is the difference between git fetch and git rebase? Git fetch and git rebase. Okay. What is the difference between git fetch and git clone? What is the difference between git fetch and git clone? And what is the difference between git rebase and git clone? Okay, maybe interviewer ask like these questions. Okay, first one, yes, we resolve one issue, that is how we can get the remote changes into local machine. Okay, whenever you want to get the remote changes from remote to local, yes, apply that git pull command before pushing into remote branch. Whenever you are pushing the changes from your local machine to remote, before that, just apply that git pull command. Whatever the changes are there, new changes are there in the remote repository, you will get those changes. Then if it will ask you the command to save the changes into local, just apply the WQ shift colon WQ and hit the enter. Yes, whatever the new changes are made in the remote repository, those changes comes into our local machine. Then you can apply git push origin main. Okay, so then automatically your changes move to remote repository. Okay, guys, remote repository. See, successfully we sent to remote repository. Whatever we made local changes, those changes moves to remote repository. Okay, guys, this is git pull command. But git fetch command is there. So how the git pull command will work? See, guys, git pull command. So whenever you apply the git pull command, so we are getting the changes from remote to local. Local committing area. The same command. What it will do? First of all, the git pull command get the changes. Remote to local, and itself, okay, immediately the pull command itself, it will merge into working branch. It merge into working branch. It will merge into working branch. Whatever the changes are there, those changes merge into working branch. The git pull command only. The git pull command only. Okay. So then, okay, we will get the changes directly into working branch. That is one advantage. You mean that you need not apply any other commands after applying the git pull command to get remote changes into local machine. And one more command is there, git fetch command. Git fetch command. Let me show you. Let me update remote repository. Okay, just I'm doing some changes. Okay. Yes. Next. Okay. fdisk hyphen L. Okay. lsb lk. Yes. init 0, init 1, init 2, init 3, init 4, init 5, init 6. Okay. Yes. Okay. m list httpd. Okay. rpm -qi httpd. Okay. rpm space -q httpd. rpm space -q git. rpm space -q qi. Okay, git, like that. So many commands are there. We can just let me stop here, then commit the changes. See guys, someone modified. Actually, see, on the train here, I'm using okay, I'm having that complete control on this repository. As of now, I'm using only one person. Imagine it right now. Someone have modified this one. Some other one employee have modified this file, Linux commands list. I didn't do that. Someone did changes. Okay, guys. Linux commands file was updated by some other employee. Okay. Now what I'm doing? So I don't know. Someone did that changes in my local as per my responsibility, as per my contribution. Yes, I am going to modify that VAM git commands list. See guys, we did a mistake. Okay. Now guys, okay. Yes, git branch -d branch name. Yes, git branch -m old branch name space new branch name. Okay. Next, git checkout branch name. Okay. Next, git checkout -b new branch name. Okay. Next, what we are having, guys? Yes, git push origin main, git push origin future branch name. Next, okay, git push origin hyphen all. Okay, so we are having some more commands. Okay, next guys. Okay, let me show this one. Okay, yes, see guys, as per my work, I am doing locally. After finishing that, I am trying to sending the changes, git commit -am. This one also command, I didn't write that. Okay, git commit -am. Yes, git commands list. So let me show that first. What are the heads are there? Git log, git commands list. Yes, this is the git commands list. That is the head. Okay, git commit -am. Git commands list version 1.1. Yes. Okay, I have committed. Now guys, I'm trying to push my changes into remote. Git push origin main. Git push origin main. Spelling mistake. See guys, once again I'll get the conflicts. See guys. See, before pushing into remote repository, someone have updated that. What I have to do? Just apply that git pull command. Already we are having that experience. Now you can apply that git pull command. Git pull command. Okay, if you don't want to apply that, just apply that git. One more command is there. That is git pull. This command used for to get remote changes into a local branch, local repository, and merge into working branch. Itself it will do that. Git shell, the git pull command, it will do 2 activities at a time. Okay, now guys, actually this is the order. Now guys, here note or else yes, git pull equals to git fetch plus git rebase or okay, git fetch plus git match. Okay, you can use, or git pull equals to git fetch plus git match. You can use anyone. Okay guys, you can use anyone. So what it will do that? So whatever we are having changes in the remote, if you want to get those changes, yes, you can apply the git fetch command. So what it will do that? Yes, we can get the changes into local committing area, but we can't see in working branch. After applying that. Let me show you. So git pull command, by applying git pull command, we saw that changes directly remote to working branch. The command, it will do that. First of all, it will get the changes into local committing, then it will merge into working branch. But not like that git fetch command. Yes, apply the git fetch, hit enter. Now guys, so we got the changes. Now guys, now LL, see, the size is what is the size? Which one we have modified? I think Linux commands we have modified. See guys, before that also, before applying the git fetch command, the size is, see, before applying that fetch command also the same size, but we have modified that. Before applying that fetch command, we have modified that Linux commands list in the remote repository, but we didn't get those changes. Now you can apply that git rebase, hit the enter. Successfully rebased and updated references head main. Then you can apply that LL. Now see guys. Now that you can see the changes, whatever we made. Who modified that? Someone have modified this one. Of course, I did it. Javeria. Keep in mute, ma. Javeria, keep in mute. Javeria, please keep in mute. Session is recording. Okay, guys, see guys. Okay, this one have updated. Who modified this one? Who updated this one? Someone, other employee updated. Okay, my colleague, one of my colleague have updated this one in the remote. Okay, now I got these changes. Okay, now I'm trying to push these changes into remote repository. Now I can see. See guys, now successfully I have updated. If you want to resolve those conflicts, this is the command. Git fetch plus git rebase. And one more command is there. That is git merge command. Git merge command. Okay, guys. Now let me update that. Let me update. Okay. Yes. This one, just once again. Okay, guys. Yes. Next, some commands. What is that? Yes, du space -sh. Yes, the particular path. Okay, particular path. Okay, to directory. Next, IO top input output statistics. Input output statistics. Next, one more if top network related. If top. Okay, and load net stack hyphen TULNP that is related to graphical network traffic. Next, SS hyphen TULWN. This one for to list all ports and active connections. Next, ping space trace route. Trace route is empty, or we can do like that. Okay, guys. Okay, like that. So many commands are there. Not only this one. Okay, so we are having traffic related, CPU related. Okay, for example, source usage of per core parts, so CPU parts, something like that. Yes, MP stat. Okay, next, process related PS-AUX, like that. So many commands are there, guys. Upcoming classes, slowly we will discuss one by one. Okay, yes, guys. Yes, let me save this one because we are in another work. We are not in direct Linux commands. Just for writing, instead of writing garbage, we are writing these all commands, useful commands, instead of writing garbage. Okay, that is also helpful to you. So that reason I'm spending some time here and I'm executing once again that commands also. See guys, someone have updated. Now what I'm doing that. So I don't know someone did this one, but locally, as usual, locally I am doing changes in my local mission. Yes, now VIM git commands list. So again, yes, git commit hyphen amend hyphen no hyphen edit. Okay, git commit hyphen am message. Next, git add hyphen u. Okay, next guys, git diff file name. Okay, git diff branch name. Okay, next git hyphen soft head. Okay, next. Okay, now let me stop. Of course, we are having some more commands. So what we are doing? Okay, next guys. Now git status, git commit hyphen am, git commands version 1.2, version 1.2. Yes, guys. Now we have committed once again as usual. Okay, git status, nothing to commit, working tree clean. Now guys, if you now what we did in previous session, so we have applied that git pull command to get the remote changes. Try to git push origin main. We can't push because already someone have updated that repository. Before pushing that, you must get those changes into local, then you can apply into remote. See guys, someone have updated. Now what I have to do? So we need to get those changes. For getting those changes remote to local, we have applied that git pull command. By applying that git pull command, yes, we got the changes local and merged into working branch. That is one command. Instead of that, yes, we have applied that one more command, git fetch, to get the changes into local, remote to local. Then we have applied that git rebase command to merge into working branch. Instead of those two commands, we are having one more command, that is, yes, apply that git fetch to get the changes into local. See guys, so what is the size of the file? 485. Before applying the command. After applying that, now guys, see, still we are having that 485. Now we need to apply this. After applying this command, we need to apply git rebase or git merge. Git merge also command. This command used to merge the changes local to working branch. Yes, apply that escape shift to colon WQ. See guys, now we got one update on the remote from remote to local. That is Linux commands list we have updated with new 11 insertions. Now guys, you can see 599. Okay, git merge also command. Now you can apply that git push origin main. Now successfully we have sent to remote. Okay, both sides we have updated successfully. This is the use of git pull, git fetch, git rebase, git merge, and how we can create pull requests and merge into one branch to another branch in remote, and how we can get the alerts from GitHub repository. Guys, after configuring email notification in the GitHub repository, we did number of changes. Now you can see how many 5 mails we got. We have updated 5 times. 5 or 6 new one. See guys, 6 times we have updated. So on every push, on every update, yes, you will get notification. This is also one advantage. So whatever you did here, okay, on each and every update you can get, see guys. This is also one advantage by email notification. Okay, guys. Okay. Yes, guys. That's all in today's session. Yes, if you have any doubt,